Hello and welcome to this demonstration, where I will show you exactly how to connect a custom domain inside GoHighLevel in just a few simple steps. When you log into your GoHighLevel account, you will notice a sidebar on the left. From there, you can access sites. And inside this section, all your funnels will appear. For our example, let's open the funnel named 30% off saloon service. As soon as we click it, GoHighLevel shows all the pages inside the funnel along with some quick details. Now before we move forward, it is important to check if the funnel is already connected to our domain. For that, we head into the funnel settings. In this case, we can see that no domain is currently linked. That means we need to connect one. GoHighLevel allows you to create or link a domain, so we'll go ahead and add a subdomain of our choice. Once we enter the subdomain, GoHighLevel DNS records for us. These records need to be added to the DNS section of our hosting provider, which in the case is Hostinger. We simply copy each record one by one from GoHighLevel and paste it into the Hostinger DNS panel. After entering all records, we return to GoHighLevel to start the verification process. Once verified, GoHighLevel provides the option to link this domain with our funnel. At this stage, we select the domain we just created, and GoHighLevel also asks us to choose the default funnel page that visitor will land on. After making the selection, we click Finish, and that's it. The connection is complete. Finally, GoHighLevel gives us the live URL of our funnel. If we copy this link and open it in a browser, we will see the exact page we selected, now live on our new domain. This ensures our funnel is not only built but also properly hosted and accessible to customers. And that's it. This is how easy it is to connect your custom domain with GoHighLevel. With just a few clicks, you can take your marketing assets live on your own domain and give your business the professional presence it deserves.